Hey everybody, it's great to be with you tonight. We are all really lucky to be a part of the Prairie community, and there's not a day that doesn't go by where I'm not thankful for all of your support and commitment to our school. Prairie is a model of excellence, and the reason we're able to provide a world-class education is because of the philanthropic support of all of you. We're able to demonstrate to southeastern Wisconsin what a great education looks like. That wouldn't be possible without all of you. Now more than ever, we need your help. Your generosity is the key to our success. I want to thank you all for being here. I want to thank you all for giving, and I can't wait to see all of you in person.
There's nothing more important than your kids and where they spend a big chunk of their early life, which is important to development and who you end up being. It's hard. I think it's hard to grow up as a kid these days. You know, all we can do as parents is hopefully keep them on the right path. That was very much part of the vision. So the premiere is definitely the key event that allows us to make this great Prairie experience available to all children. This is such an important event, and I'm so glad that we can put it on, even though it is a little different venue. This is the funds that allow us to do what we do, and it's to offer this experience to as many kids as possible. You know, we've gone through a lot of change in these past few months. I mean, at Prairie, at work, in our lives, you know, but the purpose for the premiere remains the same. Raise the funds that allow us to provide this great Prairie experience for as many kids as possible.
I've been attending Prairie since second grade, so Prairie's been the place where I grew up, and I'm so thankful because Prairie's an amazing place to do that. At every step of the way, I felt supported both by faculty and also by students.
We're honestly very prepared when we end up going to college, and now that I've started my career, I really appreciate that as well. I felt that I was really excited to learn what I could in university, but that I was ready to do that. I was ready to learn because of the education that Prairie provided me. And I think Prairie also prepares us in a more holistic sense to be confident and well-rounded leaders in so many different ways, but for many of us that ends up being on the athletic field or in our case a little more on the stage. And I know for everybody who participated in these kinds of activities at Prairie, they're truly memories that we'll cherish forever, but also memories that have shaped who we are. It's very evident to me that the spirit of the Prairie education and the Prairie culture truly remains the same and is a huge asset. We're really proud to be grads of Prairie.
Yes, we're so thankful for all of the opportunities that Prairie has given us, and Premiere allows more students to attend Prairie and receive the opportunities, the amazing education, and the experiences that it provides, and helps students succeed far beyond graduation. So thank you.
That's the beauty of the Prairie community, I think. At Prairie, it is about the student, not about the curriculum or about an age or development. It's about what student-centered learning is. It's about the student.
What do you think makes Prairie School a special place?
'Cause it's fun.
What about it is fun?
It has a playground and the classrooms are fun and has lots of good toys and things.
Prairie School a good community?
A kiss. Thank you for making it possible. Thank you.
We support the whole human being, and because of that support, they achieve at unbelievably high levels. We are very devoted to our students, not only supporting them in becoming academic leaders, but also in supporting their social emotional needs. I have my own personal grandchildren here. I would want them at no other school.
It's a place that just feels different. It feels like home. It is a place where you walk in the halls and you feel comfortable and positive. The atmosphere at Prairie is so special and so uplifting. Thank you so much for your generosity and for helping to make Prairie the amazing place that it is.
It's about us helping our kids navigate and leverage their interests, their talents, their skills to get the life they want. And we do that well here.
The Prairie School is a home away from home. We come from different places, different parts in the world, and we celebrate our differences. I hope that my students feel like they learn something from me every day, but I'm not sure if they realize that they are teaching me something as well every day.
We all benefit from the foundation that others have laid for us at Prairie. That's why I think it's incumbent on us to lead for the next generation. A lot of people have asked me why I continue to be so involved in Prairie and support it in so many ways. It's really because it's our turn to help those kids. Please know that if you support Prairie and help in the scholarships, that you are changing literally the trajectory of so many kids' lives. So I hope you join Denise and I in doing so, and in this new norm that we're all living, now more than ever, we need the leaders of the future generation, and Prairie's going to supply those.
I have a child who is an athlete, and our athletic program is incredible. I have a student who is a musician, and he's able to participate in many different activities in music. I have another who is an artist. My family loves Prairie because they can do whatever their heart desires.
Hi, I'm Jason, the athletic director and boys basketball coach.
I'm Callie. I am the director of admission. I am so thankful for Prairie. I feel like Prairie has given me so many opportunities. It gave me the opportunity to start my career, and it gave me the opportunity to meet Jason and to have this awesome family. I am so thankful for the Prairie School community. What are you thankful for about Prairie?
That I get to play at school.
That you get to play at school. Brayden, what do you think?
Seeing all of my friends.
We love you, Prairie School.
Go Hawks!
With the aid of a school like Prairie, it is just a godsend. I have a lot of respect, very honored to be part of this. And I just wanted to say thanks and hope that you are staying healthy, staying safe, and that you are feeling very generous tonight. We're very thankful for any contribution you make. You can make a difference here at Prairie. Thank you.